Okay, I went over this on Friday, just wanted to quickly go over it again today. So you are planning your sphere writing, and you have an example from Jaden Alvarez last year. You need to read this, read it carefully, and yours should sound like this. And here's your planner. So if I were doing the mudslide, my topic sentence might be something like, a mudslide is a natural disaster that shows all four spheres connecting, something like that. And then the geosphere, when you go to plan out what you're writing, you are not saying something like the geosphere is the mud. You are not saying that. You have to say how that sphere is involved. So the geosphere is involved in many ways, right? First, the soil becomes oversaturated and loose. Second, many rocks and boulders get swept away and moved. So the mudslide changes the land. Do you see how I'm really explaining both what's happening to that sphere and what that sphere is doing? You can't just say the geosphere is the soil. You can't. I mean, anyone could do that, right? But what you're learning is how is it, what role is it playing, what's it doing, or what's happening to it. So the hydrosphere has a super important role to play. So the hydrosphere is very important because the rain is what soaks the soil and gets everything started. Okay? Do you see what I'm doing here? I'm either saying what is this sphere doing or what's happening to this sphere, and I'm explaining myself. So you're going to do this. Once you have finished planning by hand, then you go to your Google Doc and type it up. This should be done tonight. It's going to be homework, so if you don't get it done in class, you have to finish it for homework. Good luck.